Welcome back, smart buyers! Today, we're comparing two 3D printing titans, the QIDI Q1 Pro and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Let's dive in and see which one deserves your hard-earned cash. Let's talk about speed, because who has time to wait these days? The QIDI Q1 Pro boasts a zippy 600 mm per second max speed and 20,000 mm per square second acceleration. Reviewers love how quick it can churn out prints, making it ideal for those who need rapid results. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus isn't far behind, with a 500 mm per second speed and 12,000 mm per square second acceleration. Users appreciate its decent speed, even if it's a bit slower than the QIDI. So if speed is your top priority, the QIDI Q1 Pro has a slight edge. Next up, let's talk build volume. The QIDI Q1 Pro has a decent build volume, perfect for your typical prints. However, reviewers mention that it might be limiting for larger projects. Enter the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, with a massive 12.59 inches x 12.59 inches x 15.15 build volume. Reviewers highlight its ability to handle larger projects effortlessly, making it a favorite for those with big ambitions. So if you're dreaming big, the Neptune 4 Plus is your go-to. Now, let's get precise. The QIDI Q1 Pro uses dual Z-axis motors and a Core XY system, giving you prints with incredible precision. Reviewers are impressed with its high-quality prints, though some mention the custom software can be a bit buggy. Meanwhile, the Neptune 4 Plus also offers excellent precision, with features like input shaping and pressure advancing. Users appreciate its detailed prints, although it requires a thorough pre-flight checklist before each print. Both printers offer incredible precision, but the QIDI might have a slight edge with its dual Z-axis motors. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The QIDI Q1 Pro comes in at $699. Reviewers feel it's a worthy investment for the speed and precision it offers, though it's on the pricier side. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, on the other hand, is priced at $599. Reviewers love its value for money, noting that it's a steal for its features and large build volume. So if you're on a budget but still want a powerhouse, the Neptune 4 Plus is a fantastic option. Both printers have received positive reviews overall. The QIDI Q1 Pro is praised for its speed, precision, and ease of setup, though it has some software quirks. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is lauded for its large build volume, ease of setup, and value for money, but requires a bit more hands-on maintenance. So there you have it, smart buyers. Whether you choose the QIDI Q1 Pro with its blazing speed and precision, or the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus with its massive build volume and wallet-friendly price, you really can't go wrong. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you're leaning towards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buys. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.